Welcome to our video on nutrition and the importance of healthy eating. Did you know that what we eat plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being? Eating a balanced diet filled with nutrient-rich foods is essential for our bodies to function properly. Have you ever wondered why vitamins and minerals are so important for our bodies? Well, they are like the building blocks that our bodies need to perform various functions. Vitamins and minerals are like the superheroes that support our immune system, boost our energy levels, and keep our skin glowing. But did you know that our bodies can't produce all the necessary vitamins and minerals on their own? That's why it's crucial to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in our diet. Fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that help us stay strong and healthy. For example, vitamin C found in oranges helps to strengthen our immune system and fight off common colds. Calcium, found in dairy products, plays a vital role in keeping our bones and teeth strong and healthy. Iron, found in foods like spinach and beans, is crucial for the production of red blood cells to prevent anemia. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon, can help improve brain function and reduce the risk of heart disease. In addition to vitamins and minerals, it's also essential to consider portion sizes and the overall quality of our food. Limiting processed foods high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats is important for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Water is also a crucial component of a balanced diet, as it keeps our bodies hydrated and aids in digestion. By making smart food choices and adopting a balanced approach to eating, we can improve our overall health. So the next time you're at the grocery store, make it a habit to fill your cart with nutritious foods. Remember, a well-nourished body is a happy body, so let's prioritize our health by eating right and getting the proper vitamins and minerals.